Hey guys! So today I thought of doing something completely different. I got a birthday present from my friend Sachi, so I thought we'd unbox it together. At the same time, I thought we'd have a discussion on Malaysian owned makeup brands. So let's get to it. So I'm just gonna unbox it. Woo. So you have this. Each of these don't come with an instruction of how to use them, so I'm just gonna wing it. Don't hate me, I have no idea what I'm doing, but we'll figure it out together. So the first one is Modern Friction. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and put that on my face and see what happens. So it looks like this. It's like a scrub, I'm guessing. It has a scrub-like texture. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this. I don't know if you need water for this. Oh, okay. Okay. It's a scrub. Okay, it has a very limey smell to it. I'm just gonna wash my face and I'll be right back to tell you all how it feels. That is definitely a scrub, guys. Confirm. Obviously scrubs are a big no-no, especially for me because I have so many pigment spots. I try not to use scrubs, but it is very, very nice. You know what I'd use this for? My underarms, because it's very gentle and it has a lemony smell to it. So I think when it comes to body odor or just trying to keep your underarms nice and fresh, whitening possibly, I definitely use this for that. So go Origins. So the second one, Checks and Balances. Obviously I'm not doing this in any specific order. It's a frothy face wash. So my hands are wet. I'm just gonna put a bit of it like that. Yep, just a bit, and apply that. Oh, this does not smell nice. Yeah, I'm not vibing with this smell. Okay, I have this thing, like if it doesn't smell nice, I'm really not fond of putting it on my face. So I've gone and applied more water on my face. And it is definitely frothy, even though it doesn't smell that great, but I feel like it feels really nice on my skin. Let me go and wash this off and I'll be right back. Woo! And I'm back. Alright, so after using it, it has that super squeaky clean kind of finish. Now it feels like it needs to be moisturized, like it needs water in my face, but my face feels really soft, guys. Yeah, it just feels very soft and plump. The next one is Clear Improvement. It's an active charcoal mask to clear pores. Okay, so it says here, use once a week or as often as needed. Open pores with warm, moist towel and layer on. Ooh! Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. Wow, suddenly I have an accent. I feel very posh. So I've just put on a little bit extra on my nose, and it's about 1:46, so let's say it's about 1:45, and I'll take this off in about 10 minutes. Now, so Malaysian makeup brands is not made for Malaysians. And I'm not talking about the lipsticks, I'm talking more about the blushes or the foundation colors, the concealer colors. Malaysians come in all shade ranges. You know, we have very, very fair, right? Very, very fair to very, very deep tones. And for some reason, I don't know what it is, a lot of these Malaysian brands will have 7 shades of white. Just to name a few: Silky Girl, Simplicity, Dark Cosmetics. Now, with Dark Cosmetics, they have probably one darker shade, and that's it. And it's like, how to support you when you don't even have shades for Malaysians? You're a Malaysian brand, but you don't give up products that we can use. Also, another thing, eyeshadows, blushes, or whatever, there's not enough pigment. Like, I'm not talking about myself, I can use some of the products, but still though, how about like the deeper toned Indians, Sarawakians, Sabahans? Everyone has different types of colors. You cannot just have 7 shades of white or 7 shades that you think are applicable to all Malaysians. You know, and especially when you say, oh, I'm pretty sure there's a shade for you. Sis, girl, no, we're not all the same skin tones or the skin color. Our undertones are different. So for me, it's like, we can do better. Malaysians are super talented. Malaysians are very welcoming. We are always the first ones to take care of each other. Always the first ones to be like, hey, it's okay, I got your bill, tak apa. Like, belanja je lah. We're very easy to take care of other people. So why can't you take care of the foundation shades the same way, or your concealer shades? You know what I mean? And I feel like we can do it. We need to be a bit more gung-ho, you know, in making it happen. Does that make sense? Malaysian brands are awesome, don't get me wrong, they're awesome. Things, if you go to Rio in the city or KL in general or Publica, we always have locals selling their things, and you know, they're made for all shapes and sizes. Clothes are made for, you know, petite to curvaceous, voluptuous, men who are taller, you know, who have a wider stance. You know, these kind, it should be made for everybody, and so should our makeup. You know how proud it is to wear your own country's stuff, like made in your country, done for your country, for the people of your country. I think that's an awesome thing. We should support each other, because this is what Malaysia is. So yeah, this is my prayer for Malaysia. One day we will start using our own brands made from our country in a safe, proper, legit manner. Yeah, it's already been 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna get it all off. So I'm back from washing my face, and overall, it feels really nice on my skin. So the next one is Drink Up Intensive, and this is an overnight hydrating mask with avocado and Swiss glacier water. I'm guessing it's going to be super thick, so I will only use this at night. I will not be using this now. But the last one I will be using. Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, y'all. I am very, very oily as a person. Okay? You can literally goreng telur, alright, on my face. That's how oily my face is. So the fact that it's oil free is great. So I'm guessing it's not greasy. I'm just gonna take that much. It's got a citrus smell to it, so just be a little aware that it might cause irritation to the skin. I'm just gonna try a bit on. Hopefully I don't have any reactions to it. I don't think so. I usually don't. Ooh, child. This smells... Oh my god, it smells so good. Ooh. Ooh, the neck. Yo, the neck. Oh, it feels really, really, really nice. I guess that's the end of this unboxing. Tried out a few things. I really like it. So let's see how it holds up during the day. And in my next video, I'll let you all know how I felt about it. But I think origins, yes. And Sachi Amira, thank you very much for this birthday gift. Mwah! I love you. You always take care of me. Actually, both my girls always take care of me. As you all know, I'm super proud to be Malaysian, and I wish that we as Malaysians make Malaysia better, because no one's gonna do it for us. We might as well do it ourselves. Yeah. I really hope this video finds you well, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!